Some of our Thai chickens hatched today. They're on the left side. As you can see, they're... Oh no! He fell over. The left side right here are smaller. And then all these other ones are bar rock eggs. So it's good for now. So today, put the chicks back in here with their mom. There's 10 healthy chicks and 1 black chick, who I think is the sister. So hopefully the mom doesn't attack them. Okay, that's it for now. Hopefully the mom adopts them, because they are her kids, but we just put them in the incubator. They look fine for now, though.